Hi, the survival instinct of the mite in a considerable speck. A tiny creature's big message. Can intelligence be found in the tiniest of creatures? Robert Frost thought so. Let's explore the survival instinct of the mite in a considerable speck and what it reveals about life, or a character sketch of the mite. Robert Frost was writing when he noticed something tiny moving on his page, a mite. Instead of ignoring or crushing it, he observed its behavior closely. Why is this important? The mite displays intelligence and self-awareness despite its size. Secondly, Frost sees it as a symbol of life's instinct to survive even in the face of danger. I have none of the tenderer than thou collectivistic regimental love with which the modern world is being swept. Robert Frost quotes this line. What does it mean? Frost here is contrasting the mite's individual survival instinct with the way modern society forces conformity. The mite thinks for itself and reacts with fear when threatened, showing a natural, independent mind. Another powerful line. It paused as if uncertain what to do and then concluded to withdraw into the sheltering dark. What does this line mean? The mite hesitates but quickly decides to escape into safety. This tiny movement reflects human instincts, fear, caution, and survival. Here, Frost admires how even a microscopic creature values life and fights to stay alive. The mite's survival instinct and what it teaches us. Awareness and intelligence. The mite senses danger and reacts, proving that even the smallest creatures value life. Quick thinking. It hesitates but chooses survival just like humans do in critical moments. Symbolism. The mite represents the power of independent thought and resilience against control or destruction. Robert Frost found wisdom in the smallest of beings. If a mite can fight for survival, what does that tell us about the value of life and intelligence? For more deep insights on literature, like, share and subscribe to Concept Clarity with Ajanta ma'am. Thank you for watching.